Thank you, Anilanga. I would like to welcome my artistic colleagues from Montreal, Rajaji and Divya. Without Kabir Center and JJPA collaboration, it cannot be a better artist and the performance like this today. So I really do appreciate. Of course, without the sound, we cannot have this happen. Our technician, Ben. Kohinoor of Kirana Gharana, Pandit Kaivalya Kumar. Gauravji belongs to a family of musicians. His father, Pandit Ganpatrao Gaurav, and his grandfather, Pandit Ganpatrao Gaurav, and his father, Sangameshwar Gaurav, belonged to Kirana Gharana. Pandit Ganpatrao Gaurav was a disciple of Pandit Bhaskar Bua Bakle, the first in line from Ustad Abdul Karim Khan, who was the founder of the Kirana Gharana. Training under his grandfather and his father groomed the young Gaurav in vocal skills, who then started his musical career with Marathi Natya Sangeet and then entered to Khayal singing. Pandit Kaivalya Kumarji has several albums to his credit. He is the youngest Hindustani classical vocalist to get a top grade by All India Radio and Doordarshan. Gauravji has performed in the United States and the United Kingdom, France, Canada, Singapore, Australia, Dubai, Muscat, and Qatar, so on and so forth. Pandit Gaurav is known for his Bijli Ki Taan, also known as lightning tans, gamak tans, ghasit tans, sapat tans, and so many extraordinary rendition over 100 ragas. Pandit Kaivalya Kumar Gaurav has done a tremendous amount of study and research in his lifetime on voice yoga, inventing many exercises like upper octave, clearance and sharpening bass voice and Omkar sadhana. Panditji has been spreading awareness to people on spiritual view of classical music and beauty of ragas and Indian classical culture since decades. We also have on tabla Pandit Shubhen Chatterjee, having been initiated into the art of tabla playing by legendary Pandit Swapan Chaudhary of Lucknow Gharana. Pandit Shubhen Chatterjee is in a professional journey for over 35 years now, has successfully accompanied such luminaries of North Indian classical music as Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, Vidushi Girija Devi, Pandit Jashraj, Pandit Mani Nag, Ustad Ali Ahmad Hussain Khan, Ustad Rashid Khan, Ustad Mashkoor Ali Khan, Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt, Ustad Shahid Parvez, and many others. Shubhenji is also an accomplished soloist with a few national and international recording to his credit. Shubhenji is also one of the pioneers in the field of world music and his front-running fusion band, Karma, Friends of Drums, Bandish Fusion. He is also recipient of many awards. We then have on harmonium none other than Ustad Mushfiq Hashmi. Mushfiq ji is also the founder and the director of Mushfiq Art Company in Ottawa. He is the disciple of Pandit Ajoy Chakrabarti of the Patiala Gharana. His first guru was Pandit Robin Chatterjee, and to date he still receives teaching from him. He had the honor to study rag analysis for several years with Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia. He studied with Ustad Mashkoor Ali Khan, the torchbearer of the Kirana Gharana. He holds 2 masters in music from Hall and renowned Rotterdam Conservatorium of Music and from Prachin Kala Kendra in India. With that, please help me in welcoming how can I say, they are amazing artists. Please do not mistaken yourself with only a presence of 100 today present here. We are houseful today, but if you see their programs in India, the halls are of 50,000 and up. So with all these credits,